ESD vinyl flooring is of utmost significance in data centers, which are the nerve centers of the digital world and house a vast array of sensitive equipment. For the sensitive components within servers, such as microprocessors, memory modules, and hard drives, ESD flooring provides crucial protection. It prevents the potentially disastrous effects of electrostatic discharge, which could otherwise lead to data corruption, system failures, and costly downtime. For networking equipment like routers, switches, and cabling systems, antistatic PVC flooring maintains a static-free environment that ensures seamless data transmission. Without it, static interference could disrupt network signals and lead to communication breakdowns in the data center. Static flooring has a significant impact on data center operations, enhancing the overall uptime by reducing the likelihood of electrostatic issue-caused equipment failures. This reliability is crucial for businesses relying on continuous data processing and storage. From a cost-benefit perspective, ESD-control flooring is a wise investment. It reduces the need for frequent equipment replacement due to electrostatic-related damage. The costs associated with replacing servers, storage devices, or networking equipment can be substantial.